you can take 1 to 1.5 cups of almond powder. You can get this in the store, or you can also just soak some almonds, peel them and then use that. Okay, मेरे बच्चों को ये बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, इसलिए मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा बना रही हूँ। इसमें we are going to add about, you can add about 2, what is this, tablespoon or more. Like in my case, we like more ginger, so I'm just going to cut some more and put it in my chutney. All these things are customizable to your taste. आजकल कोरोना चल रहा है तो इसलिए ये सब चीज़ें थोड़ा ज़्यादा डालती हूँ। क्यों? क्योंकि जिंजर, फ्रेश टर्मरिक, fresh garlic, these all have immune boosting properties. I'm also going to add about 1 tablespoon or more of fresh curry leaves. Okay, so again, this adds a lot of flavor. So one of the reasons besides the flavor that I'm adding it to my chutneys is usually we put the whole leaves and kids just take it out, we even take it out. When you grind it in, it adds color, flavor, and it goes inside your body. This is some green chilies, okay? Another maybe 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of green chilies. So these are green chilies that I got from my backyard. I'm so excited about that. And they're not very spicy. So अगर आपके बच्चों को मिर्च नहीं पसंद है और you don't like too spicy, you can add this. But if you like it spicy, you can add those serrano peppers. To this, I'm just going to add a little bit of fresh cilantro leaves, dhania leaves, okay? And salt to taste. And I do have to taste a couple of times. Okay. For a little bit of tanginess, you can add yogurt or you can add fresh lemon. Either one is fine. So I added about half a cup to 1 cup of yogurt, and it depends on how tart it is. So ज़्यादा खट्टा है तो कम डालिए, कम खट्टा है तो ज़्यादा डालिए. It doesn't completely up to your taste. This is the time जब आप अपने बच्चों को बुला सकते हैं, कैसा लग रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है, खट्टा है या मिर्ची है. जब हम अपने बच्चों को इन्वॉल्व करते हैं तो उनको भी अपने मन से खाने का मन करता है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखते हैं. जब वो बड़े हो जाते हैं तो फिर अपने आप भी खाना बनाने लगते हैं. So if it is too thick, we can add a little bit of water. क्योंकि ये थोड़ा थिक होता है इसलिए थोड़े पानी की ज़रूरत है. तो चूंकि हमने आलमंड पाउडर यूज़ किया है, I don't need to grind it too much. Alright, time to taste. Get your kids to come and taste with you, okay? 1, 2, 3. Nice. So actually I got the salt, so it tastes really good. Namkeen, khatta, mirchi. So this is the consistency that I like. You can make it thicker or more liquidy. We're just going to move on with our next chutney. again, I like to make sure that we minimize the use of too many utensils, because I know that we have to do the whole washing. Also, it's good for the environment, right? So I'm just going to continue to use the same jar to make the next chutney. तब की कॉमन सीजनिंग है, ठीक है? तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा सा तेल लेंगे, ज़्यादा इसलिए क्योंकि 3 चटनियों में लगेगा और मैं आज सांभर भी बनाऊंगी, तो इसलिए थोड़ा ज़्यादा सा लिया। We will put rye, again in accordance with the 3 chutneys and sambar and whatever else we are making that day. So about this much for each chutney, I would say, like a 1.5 teaspoons. And for people who are new at cooking, mustard seeds need a lot of high temperature for spluttering, right? So we will cover it, otherwise it will create a big mess, and I don't like messes. Nobody does. I'm pretty sure. So nobody makes messes on purpose. Okay? So as soon as this splutters, I'll add a little bit of asafoetida, okay? Hing, ingwa in Telugu, okay? And this is very good for our digestive system, so for gases and all of that. And I think that's one of the reasons why we have this as the most common ingredient in Indian cooking, so everyone uses it. So it helps to digest our food and also with the gas. Okay, so it's almost about to be done. Okay, so I'll turn the heat down. I hope you guys can hear it. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of hing, or a little bit more, and then add my curry leaf. Even here I'm putting curry leaves that are very thinly chopped so that we eat most of it. So this is just the common seasoning that I made. We don't like it, but you can add traditionally. South Indian cooking and seasoning will involve a little bit of urad dal and chana dal. Okay, so you can add that if you like it. We don't like it as much, so we don't add it. So I'm going to remove this now, and then we'll add it to the different chutneys. Almond chutney, peanuts and tomatoes, and red bell pepper or red capsicum chutney. And this is our roasted chana. So many times we don't have too many ingredients at home. You may have this line because it, it has a long shelf life. You can just make this. This one also, I put it in my refrigerator and it stays for a long time. So, and this one I'm just going to make some sambar, and then I'll add it from top because that gives a good flavor. I'm going to wash this and put it in my sambar too, because I don't like to waste anything, not even a little bit. These are very healthy ingredients, and I think not even one single morsel should be wasted. Alright, I hope you guys really enjoyed these recipes. I surely did. And next time we will record a sambar recipe. I'm pretty sure, all these things most of the people know, or you can get it on YouTube, but I can show you my version of how I do things. So bye, and happy and joyful eating with your whole family.